Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool right here, and basically what this is a smart light bulb, and it's from a brand called Nitebird. So the cool thing about this product right here is the fact that you guys can actually control it on the app, and it also has the option for you guys to use voice control on Alexa or Google Assistant as well, which is super convenient. And for this product, it is a warm white color, so if you guys want like a brighter white color, this is probably not ideal for you guys. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright. So when you guys first open up, this is basically what it actually looks like. So the one that we got right here is a 4-pack, but they do have a lot of other ones available as well, such as like a 1-pack or 6-pack or whatever. If you guys are curious about what I mean, here's another option of what I mean. So this is a single pack. That's the same thing as the one I showed you guys right here. So depending on how many you guys need, whether it's 1-pack, 6-pack, or 4-pack, or more than that, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is best for you guys. But this is basically what the product looks like inside. And inside the package, they do give you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. So when we take out the light bulb, this is basically what the product looks like. So they definitely have like the logo right there. And you basically want to plug this into your light bulb switch to activate it. And this is where the light will pop on. But the overall product definitely feels pretty lightweight. It's not like super heavy or anything. If you guys can see right here, so here's the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So basically once you guys install the product, you probably have to like reset the light and everything and connect it onto the app. And then once you guys connect it on the app, you can control it on the app or you can control it using voice assistant. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to use it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got a floor lamp right here that has a light bulb option. I'm gonna plug in one of these light bulbs to show you guys how to set up and how to use it. So I want to put this inside right here first. Just twist it in. Alright, so you see that turns on. And this is basically how it looks like once you guys plug it in. If you can see, once we actually plug it in, it has this light blinking. So that means it's actually ready to pair. So let me actually connect it onto the app first. So we basically want to add a device on here. And it found a device. So I'm going to go add it. So you see right here, it's basically adding the device. If you can see, it looks like it found the device right there. So now we can actually control it on the app right here. Alright, so this is basically what the app looks like once you guys finish downloading it. So you can definitely adjust the brightness on here. So I want to bring it down. That brings it down. If I bring it back up, it brings it back up. If you guys want to turn it off, it turns it off. If you guys turn it back on, you can turn it on. And right here, you can see they do have a timer option. So if you guys want to use that, you definitely can. And right here, you can see there's a more button. So we click on here. You could basically plan stuff, schedule stuff, or you can definitely use like a biorhythm option as well. But basically for this light bulb right here, this is all you guys can do. There's no like color option or anything else. It's only just a warm white color, if you can see right here. So that is basically everything that's on this product in terms of how to set up and how to use it. If you can see, it didn't take that long. Literally all we need to do is just put on the light bulb into our floor lamp right here and then connect it onto the app. So now that you guys saw a quick test of the product, definitely see it actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to set it up. Like I mentioned, you can definitely use like the voice control, or if you guys want to use app control, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But in order for you guys to use the voice control, you need to have like a Google Assistant device or Alexa device. But you see the whole setup process and the actual app is really easy to use as well. So you definitely change like the different scenes, the different temperature, the brightness level, and etc. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this smart light bulb, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a smart light bulb that give you guys the option to either increase or lower the brightness on here, and all the other settings that I mentioned earlier that's on the product, such as the timer setting, the app control, and the voice control. If you guys want all of that on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.